Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. Skirts are a big part of belly dance costuming, and today I'd like to introduce you to one of the most common belly dance skirts, and that's mermaid skirt, also known as trumpet skirts. Of course, you know mermaid skirts. It's such a popular style, you've probably worn them or made a few already. But did you know that belly dance mermaid skirts come in many different styles, and there are some styles that would make you look very pretty and other styles you should avoid. So in this tutorial, let me show you 4 different styles of mermaid skirts, how they're constructed, and which one you should choose. Let's get started. The first style is simple panel mermaid skirt. This pretty mermaid skirt is from my 3-panel mermaid skirt tutorial, and if you look at this one carefully, you can see the vertical seams. I've done a 5-panel mermaid skirt previously as well, and you can see vertical seams in this one too. This type of mermaid skirts are made by sewing together long panels that become wider at the bottom. The flare is made by the shape of these panels. These mermaid skirts are simple and versatile. And because of the vertical seams, these skirts look great for most people. Apple-shaped dancers may want to try a high-waisted version. You can find a tutorial for this style in the description. The second style is top and bottom mermaid skirt. I couldn't think of a better name for this one, but I'm referring to mermaid skirts that have a clear top and bottom sections. For example, this fishtail mermaid skirt has a clear top part that's fitted and the bottom part that's flared. This is also a very beautiful and fun style, but this style is not great for short dancers like me. This horizontal seam blocks the vertical flow and can make you look shorter. Also, if you don't want to draw attention to the width of your hips, avoid this style. The skirt shrinks towards the bottom, so it really accentuates the width of your hips and thighs. It's a great style for tall dancers and hourglass-shaped dancers. Again, find the tutorial in the description. The third style is mermaid and circle skirt hybrid. These skirts are my Daria mermaid skirts. They are similar to the top and bottom mermaid skirts in that you can clearly see the fitted top section and flared bottom section. But the biggest difference is that the flare starts much higher and the bottom half has a lot of volume like a circle skirt. This tiered version also has a lot of volume. So it creates a nice contrast between the fitted part and the flared bottom part and helps create a beautiful hourglass figure for all body types. Also, for shorter dancers, this type of diagonal seam really helps too. You can make these Daria mermaid skirts with a straight seam, but I recommend a diagonal seam for anyone who wants to look taller for this type of skirt. The link to these skirts is in the description. Finally, mermaid skirt with godettes. This style is belly dancers' favorite. These mermaid skirts with godettes are made of long panels, just like the first style, but the flare is created mainly by these beautiful godettes. Godettes are these inserts attached between the panels. The godettes create an amazing effect as the dancer twirls. I call this design the goddess skirt, and you can find the link to where you can learn to make it in the description. This style doesn't have any horizontal seams, so it suits most people, but make sure the godettes are attached at the knee level or higher. That's key to creating a balanced hourglass figure for most body types. Now here's a bonus style. This is not a mermaid skirt, but I want to include this style of dress here because it's another great option for those who want a nice hourglass silhouette. This is my hourglass belly dance dress, and if you look at the bottom half, it's shaped like a mermaid skirt. But you can see the seams make curves then fall vertically. This design makes your torso look longer and creates a beautifully balanced shape. And the extra coverage is a bonus. So there you have 4 belly dance mermaid skirts and a bonus dress design. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comment below. You can find all the tutorials in the description below, but the goddess skirt is only available when my belly dance costume workshop is open. But here's good news. The belly dance costume workshop is opening up for enrollment next week. In this workshop, you can learn everything you need to know about making perfectly fitting belly dance costumes like a broad top, a belt, and the goddess skirts, and decorating them professionally, even if you're new to costume making. The enrollment is going to be open for 1 week only, so make sure to check it out at sparklybelly.com/bdcw. Hope you liked this belly dance mermaid skirt tutorial, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dance partners. It would be really great to figure out which style suits everyone in your group and make the skirts together. And if you're brand new to belly dance costume making, check out my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101. It'll give you a great introduction to costume making and lots of beginner-friendly projects. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!